Now today we're going to learn about how to use YouTube. How do you use YouTube? Now we've seen many videos, we've seen people who create content on YouTube, and you've been intrigued and you've wondered, how does it work exactly on YouTube? How do I get also myself to be on YouTube and create content for me to get all those kinds of views? But now the people that you've been watching, or the creatives that you've been watching, have been on YouTube for years and decades, that you shouldn't expect to get all those kind of views, million views and subscribers just within a short while. YouTube is about creating and building audience. YouTube is about building subscribers brick by brick. So if you want to know exactly how to use YouTube and how to go about creating a YouTube channel and how to create videos to generate money and to generate income, make sure that you subscribe there at the bottom. Subscribe at the bottom and touch the bell button next to it to receive a notification to all my awesome videos that I upload to YouTube just for you. Now, you want to know exactly how to use YouTube for your benefit, or how to use YouTube, the correct way to use YouTube in order not to get strikes and suspensions and all that kind of stuff after putting in all your energy, investing all your money into that YouTube channel. Make sure that you listen to this and you watch this video carefully to the end. First of all, how do you go about starting a channel? Now, I've got videos of how to start a channel. Dive into my playlist there at the bottom and learn exactly how to start a YouTube channel. But now how do you go about using it? How do you use a YouTube channel so that you keep YouTube happy and you keep, first of all, what is YouTube all about? YouTube is about making money. YouTube is about business, making money online. It's about online marketing business. So now, if you yourself, you start a YouTube channel and it's all about you, you don't create content that actually adds anything up to the community or adds anything to YouTube, basically doesn't benefit anything out of you, then they are likely to remove your channel. Because I've always been explaining in my videos about how to make a YouTube channel. YouTube spends a lot of money. YouTube takes its resources into editing videos. Whenever you upload a video on YouTube, when you make a video, you upload everything and it goes on YouTube live. First thing YouTube does is it takes that video and it edits it. It edits it and adjusts it according to its own frame rate and everything that it needs, according to the guidelines of YouTube that it wants its videos to be watched out there. So now YouTube takes a lot of resources. YouTube takes resources into removing spam, removing all the virus that comes, all the spamming that is on YouTube channels. Now, all that is money. Now remember, YouTube is a free platform. It gives you a platform to showcase your stuff, to showcase your videos, and to do all your kind of stuff without charging you a cent. It's a free platform. On top of that, it has to put in resources to make sure that it cleans out all the spamming and all your crap that you put on YouTube. Sorry about the language, but now YouTube puts in a lot. Now, if you create content and you just using YouTube, you just use it to promote your own stuff. You just use it to make sure that you get followers, you get which is good. You need to build audience, but now you need to approach YouTube. You need to approach it from the perspective of making money for it, not making money for you, but making money for it. Now, this is one thing that most people don't actually know. But YouTube is a platform that itself has to gain out of you. It has to gain out of you. That's where you find people, you don't expect going to YouTube and start making money out of monetizing. Adverts won't give you enough money off YouTube. Now, the only way to make money off YouTube is through affiliate marketing. Then you'll make enough. But if you don't do affiliate marketing, what is affiliate? Most people don't know what affiliate marketing is. But this is going on sites like Amazon and sites like eBay and all those sites, and you get links. They give you a link. Now the link they give you, put it into your description. That way, whoever that watches your videos, now your videos have to promote that particular product. Say for instance, it's a camera. You're promoting a camera from eBay, from Amazon. You have to promote a camera. Now you make a video about that camera and how good that camera is, and you sell the idea of that camera. Now what you do is you tell people, after speaking about that camera and teach them how to use that camera, you tell the people, you tell your audience to go and click on the link on in your description, link that will take them straight into where they can download, or where they can buy that, they can buy the camera. So now those are ways of how YouTube can actually gain out of you. But now this is how you get to use YouTube. It's not always about you. Find ways of how you can promote YouTube. Promote YouTube. You should stop taking audience from the platform, taking it away to Facebook, taking the audience to Facebook, taking the audience of YouTube, taking it to Instagram, and taking it to Twitter. That is a wrong. YouTube hates that. YouTube doesn't like people who just come to use the platform for the sake of, say, you look at where things are happening on YouTube and stuff, and all you do is to come and grab the audience, taking it to the other platform of YouTube or of Instagram and all that kind of, bringing links, dumping links or Facebook links, and redirecting people off the platform. YouTube loves when you bring in the audience. Bring in audience from wherever you bring it, and then keep the people on the platform. Keep them on the platform. Don't take them off the platform. YouTube will remove your content. YouTube will suspend your account if you take its audience off its platform. Now, how do you get to use YouTube for your benefits? So, for instance, you want to come here to make money, and you just want to crash it, and you're seeing people crashing it, making money off YouTube. All that is good. But one thing you need to know is YouTube. You can't make money quickly off YouTube in just 1 month. You need those people that you're seeing crashing. They've got a big audience of millions and millions subscribers that YouTube also can hardly suspend the YouTube channel simply because of the big audience. Now those people, those creators, they can get away with a lot of things. They can get away with murder simply because they've got a huge subscriber audience. Now that subscriber audience can bring in a lot of money for YouTube, simply because when companies put ads on YouTube, companies go on Google Ads and put in their adverts there, and then pay YouTube to promote that advert. Now what YouTube does, YouTube takes that advert, put it on your videos, and that way your audience gets to watch that video. The more they watch your videos, the more they watch the adverts on your videos, and the more revenue comes in for YouTube and for you at the same time. So you need to know that you can't just get on YouTube for the sake of using it. Make sure that how does YouTube gain out of you your content, and how does it gain out of you? If it gains nothing out of you, and all it does is wasting its resources onto removing spamming from your video, from your contents, and reducing your videos. Maybe your videos are too big, maybe your videos are too small, the quality is very bad. They need to take that video and bring it to the right quality whereby viewers can watch it and appreciate YouTube. Then they will suspend your channel, they will remove your content. So you make sure that you follow the right guidelines of how to use YouTube. Go and read the guidelines. Go and read the guidelines of how to use YouTube properly. Read the terms and conditions. The terms and conditions are very clear of how exactly. Don't use swearing language. Don't use strong language. Don't copyright. Don't copy other people's videos. Take other videos, download videos, and bring them onto your own platform, your own YouTube platform. That's YouTube hates that. So make sure that you use it correctly and don't just use it for the sake of taking advantage of it, because there are many, they give strikes. They can suspend you for good. They can suspend your face off YouTube simply because of the way you're manipulating and using YouTube. What are the other things that you need to avoid in order to prevent suspension or to prevent using YouTube in a way that is not correct? Now, avoid doing sub for sub. Sub for sub is bad news. I know you're busy, desperate. You're desperate for subscribers. You're desperate for views. You're desperate for likes and all that. But sub for sub is bad news. It's gonna put a bad reputation on your channel. Now, other things is like taking a third party site that sells subscribers, sells YouTube views and all that kind of stuff, and then you take that party and then it gives you a code, or it gives you a link to go and dump into your account, YouTube account subscription there by the settings there on top of your channel. Now, avoid doing such stuff. Avoid buying views. It's useless to buy views and buying likes and manipulating. Now, YouTube can easily see into someone who's manipulating the YouTube platform. So YouTube can see that you bought all the views. YouTube can see you bought all the likes. Say, for instance, all of a sudden, all your views, all your subscribers, they come from India, all of them. You're somewhere in Africa and all your views are coming from Australia. All of them, they're coming. You've got maybe 7,000 views and they're all coming from Australia, or they're coming from China somewhere. Now, YouTube can see that you're trying to manipulate. You're trying to show, they can see that these are not organic subscribers. You need organic subscribers, people that choose your content, they love your content, people that follow your content because they love what you're doing, they love what you deliver, and they love what you give them. Let the YouTube channel grow by itself. Let it raise itself from the ground. Start with 5 subscribers, that's enough. 5 views, it's fine. If you get 5 views a month, that is okay. The channel will start raising itself from the ground. It will start grow by itself. Now, YouTube hates when you start manipulating the platform. When you start manipulating the platform by buying subscribers, paying for views and all that kind of thing, YouTube can see, the algorithm can notice that all your views, remember when you buy views, they don't drop off whenever they want to. They all drop off by 60 seconds. By 65 seconds is where they all drop off. Now, the algorithm can take note that you've got 2,000 views and they all drop off by 62 seconds. That's where they all drop off. Then that looks fishy to them. That looks fishy to YouTube. They can see that you went and you might have, oh, it's good, it's okay, you can go ahead and promote your video, you can promote there's nothing wrong with advertising and promoting your videos. But now, when it goes as far as buying subscribers, and it's the same people who view, same people, they drop off after 60 seconds. They're the same people that watch your views every day, repeatedly drop, and they drop off at the same time, then it looks fishy. That one is fake. Now, YouTube is based on a human behavior. It's based on a human behavior. People have to, the behaviors on the channel. That's why you see, promoting your videos, this has nothing to do with the video itself, with the YouTube choosing to promote. It has nothing to do it used to be the way you tag your videos. It used to be about tags. It used to be about all that. It used to be about how many subscribers you have. But today, it's no more about tags. It's no more about subscribers. It's about human behavior. Now, how your audience basically tells YouTube whether when someone clicks on your video, then they watch your video. And then YouTube notices and see how many of the videos of your channel that the person has watched. Now, when the viewer watches that video, and then YouTube will always will always suggest another of your video that looks exactly of that the same way, and then it will always suggest that video. Now the suggestion, that's how suggestions work. Suggestions of YouTube don't work differently according to the people. Now the same way it suggests videos to the other one is different to the way it suggests videos to you. Each viewer is suggested videos according to what he's been watching and according to how the behavior of the viewer is. So now so the audience itself moves the algorithm to do what. It's not about the creator anymore. It's about the viewer. It's about your audience. So now don't stop manipulating YouTube platform into buying views, into buying subscribers, into buying likes, and into buying all that. YouTube can realize, YouTube can see it, YouTube sees it. So go organic. It's fine. Raise your channel from scratch. Let it grow by itself. Let it take its time, and don't manipulate. That is the right way of how to use YouTube to both your advantage and to the YouTube advantage. So if you want to see more of videos on how to create a YouTube channel and how to make money on YouTube, make sure that you subscribe there at the bottom. Touch the bell button next to it to receive a notification to all my awesome videos that I upload to YouTube about how to create a YouTube channel. Israel once again, and I want you to keep coming back and back again to my channel and to the YouTube platform to make sure that you learn more about making money off YouTube and how to create a YouTube channel. Bye bye.